Hey folks, it's Greg with Strange RV Tours. Today I'm going to be replacing our old Lazy Boy recliner with a nicer, newer, lighter unit. So join me. Alright, the reason that we're replacing this recliner is that when we purchased this motorhome, it was 20 years old, and the inside looked immaculate, looked fantastic. But we've been living in the RV for about 5 months now, and the 20-year-old fabric is just disintegrating. We've tried everything. We've gotten covers to cover up the damage from the tears and stuff, but it's time we just start replacing furniture and maybe do a little remodeling to the inside of the RV, which we planned on doing anyway, so we just have to start a little sooner than we had hoped. But we'll get going. First thing I'm going to do is strip all these covers off of this old recliner and start taking it apart. And there's not much clearance on this recliner underneath to unbolt it, so I'm afraid I'm probably going to have to take it apart piece by piece from the top. But we'll see. So let's get started.
Okay. Yeah, see?
Yep, it's already coming apart. See that?
Yeah.
Ew.
Yeah, it's just the fabric's bad.
As with home improvement, the destruction part of it is always the funnest.
Yeah. Yeah,
Wow,
see?
that arm's completely gone.
Yeah.
I didn't even realize that.
Yeah, it's getting worse and worse. Yeah, just barely anything, and in no time it's like gone.
Had no idea it was that bad. Last time I saw it, it was just a little snag.
Yeah. I had some fabric, but I mean, this chair is really not comfortable for him.
No.
See, even on the top here. Like,
The kitty cat's claws haven't been doing much good either.
yeah.
Alright. What I'm doing now is I'm removing the bolts from this, that connect the
The base?
to the seat itself. So that hopefully I can just pull the seat right off the top. Okay. Those two are done. Around.
Cool. Yeah, I'll do the arm. There.
Tight little areas. Okay. Got one more over here. Hopefully this will be the last one of these I have to do. But something tells me that there's going to be more to it than this.
And there's two big bolts there.
Alright. Let's close this up and see if that releases it. I believe it did.
Awesome. How cool is that? Okay. Push it back down. Okay.
Alright, see if that did it.
Some help.
Okay.
You gotta take the seat belts.
We have the recliner loose from the base. As you can see, it'll move around now. Yeah, but there's still a few things connecting it, seat belts and some cable here. That's what we're working on getting taken care of now. So much for the cable. We got the cable out of the way. Not completely. Close though. Okay.
What do you need? Oh, it's got a little.
There we go.
Yay.
So that's done. Now I'm gonna, all right.
You might as well. I mean,
we're gonna make this simple and cut this one. Maybe not so simple.
made not to. I can. There.
More money.
Here, I can get it through. Inside here. That's easy.
Okay, so we've got one more cable attached here. I'm gonna go ahead and cut through it. All right. I have one more seat belt. Okay.
Yay.
All right, that part is done.
We gotta do it like we did. Yeah. Like that. It's fine. Okay.
Let go.
Okay. Yay. Got it. Oh, yeah.
And now we're on to even more fun stuff. All right. Okay. It's hard to see, but there's some bolts there, and there was one there. But those two bolts we have to take out because that recliner was bolted all the way through the floor. And there's actually 4 bolts. So 2 of them we can reach from our space here, but the others we're gonna have to crawl underneath the RV to get to. That's too simple.
Okay, let me show you guys where I'm at. I'm underneath, behind the cubby hole, the storage bin, and these are for the chair. And I'm going to try to reach up there and hold the bolt so he can turn them. Okay, so let's see what I can do. Okay, got those out, surprisingly. Now I gotta try to crawl back. Okay, yeah. All right. All right.
Okay, Janet has been kind enough to go underneath the RV and hold the bolts for me while I turn the bolts from up here, or the nuts for me while I turn the bolts. We were able to get all the nuts out. This is how big those monsters were.
Wow.
Went all the way through the floor. So hopefully I can just pull this right up.
Oh, yeah.
There we go. There we go.
Okay. I guess I'll be...
So we'll get that cleaned up a bit, and we'll get our new one put there, and we'll show you guys how it looks. All right, so here is the finished project. Our new reclining chair, the European style reclining chair. I don't know. It was a reclining chair. It was lighter than the one that we had. It felt comfortable. I liked it. I said, let's buy it. This one was a 2-person job. I thought it was just going to be a 1-person job. That's why I decided to tackle it myself. But no, when the bolts that are in the side of the bracket, went all the way through the floor to the underside of the vehicle. 2 of them went to where our cubby holes are, which were easy to get to, and then 2 of them were behind the cubby holes, where you had to reach up to the bottom of the vehicle after you're under the vehicle
to hold
and
the bolt.
try to hold the bolt in place.
Then I tried to video it.
Yeah, Janet could barely reach up there, so.
Yeah, I was holding myself up on from the frame because my arms weren't long enough.
Yeah.
So I did some crunches. My belly's going to be sore.
But so just keep that in mind, that this one may be a 2-person job if you decide to take it on. We do have a hole in our carpet about that big that we'll address later when we change the floor out.
Yeah, I got a little piece of carpet in there, but we're going to be changing the floors for sure.
We're going to be doing a lot of stuff to this thing, so anyhow, it's about time we make it ours instead of living in what somebody else liked. So.
Yeah. All right.
Anyhow, you guys take it easy. If you like our videos, please hit the like button. If you like most of our videos, all of our videos, please hit the subscribe button and hit the little bell up in the corner. And as the pretty lady always says,
share.
That's right.
Share.
We'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.